What's up, y'all? My name is Kofi Black Dance, and I'm going to be showing you some cool hip-hop techniques. This technique is called waving, okay? Now, there's different ways you can wave, but today, we're going to be focusing on the arm wave. So first things first, you're going to want to start with your arm out fully extended, and you're going to curve your hand and make your wrist go into a nice formation like you're seeing right now. Pretty much each joint is going to be popping up so you can see the wave go through your whole entire body. So we're going to start with popping up our wrist. We want to make sure everything else is flat, and then we're going to roll into our elbow like so. Closer look, wrist to elbow, wrist to elbow. Nice. And you want that to be a nice pop up, a nice 90-degree angle. From there, I'm going to pop up my shoulder. Okay, so we're going to do that one more time. So that's wrist, elbow, shoulder is popping up. I'm going to roll the shoulders back and push my chest out, roll out my other shoulder to bring up my elbow, to bring out my wrist, and just like so. So wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest, other shoulder, elbow, wrist, and you're done. So let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's perfect. And you want to give it a nice continuous motion, okay? So I'm going to show you one more time. Nice continuous motion. The wave is supposed to look like water. You want it to be a nice continuous motion. So wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest, and other side as well. Great job, guys. Once you get comfortable doing your wave, here are some examples and variations of how you can experiment with it. It just takes lots of practice. Keep working hard and you'll get it. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you're excited to try out your brand new dance move.